Sell online cooking workshops on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online shop where you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the shop manager button on your top right. And then we proceed to setting up our Etsy shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through. We start with the shop preferences. So here I'm just going to start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here we choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So it's just change the shop's currency to the United States dollar. And then click on save and continue. After that, you have to name your shop. So just make sure to meet these requirements between 4 to 20 characters, no special characters, spaces, or accented letters. So just try to remove the spaces. And then let's shorten the name. Let's remove this. So here it is. The name is available. Then click on save and continue. After that, you proceed to stock in your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here we have the photos. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. Add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So here guys, make sure to add at least one picture for your in order to proceed to the next step. So here when you click on save and continue, you will see that you need to upload at least one photo, as you can see in here. And also you have here some required fields to fill, like those four, starting with the photos here, inventory, listing details, and shipping. So make sure to fill all of these details in order to proceed to the next step. So here let's go back to photos, and then we have the video. So here the video is not required, it's optional, it's not like the pictures. So here if you have a video you can upload it, if not it's no problem. So bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on the link. Then here we have the listing details. You type your title, the title of your video, the title of your product. Then you answer these questions about this listing: who made it, I did, what is it, a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? We have 3 categories: not yet made, recently, and vintage. Let's go with recently. And for the category, we just type your product's name, and then you choose from these categories. Let's go with the first one. And then we have these additional details to fill, like the craft type. Then we have the occasion, and the craft type is required, so we can't miss it out. So let's choose one of these craft types. Let's go with, so you can select up to 5. So I'm just going to select, for example, the first one. Then we have the occasion, which is optional. You type to search for your occasion. Then we have the holiday. Again, you search for it. Then we have the renewal options. If you want an automatic renewal or a manual renewal, you can choose in here. So I'm just going to choose the manual. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. I'm just going to leave it as a digital. Then we have the description. So in order to write a good description for your product, make sure, guys, to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can just type them in there. And then we have the section and tags and materials, which are optional, the three of them. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to write a good price for your product. Then we have the domestic and global pricing, if you want to turn it on or turn it off. And then for the quantity, type it, the quantity that you have in that product, type it in here. The SKU also. And then we have the shipping. So here you fill all of your shipping settings, like the country of origin. As you can see in here, you can choose the country, also the origin postal code, the processing time, and then you have the standard shipping. You choose the shipping service in here, delivery time, and also you select your business days in here, what you'll charge for the shipping, if you want free shipping or fixed price. You can type the price in here, one item, additional item. Then for everywhere else, you have the shipping service, delivery time, and the business days again. Then what you'll charge for everywhere else. And then if you want to add another location, and here if you want to add a shipping upgrade, then you click on save as a shipping profile if you want to save it for later or for other products, to find it saved and use it directly without going through the hardship of creating another one. Then we have the returns and exchanges. So here you have two options. If you want to go with the returns and exchanges in 30 days, buyer is responsible for return, shipping costs, and any loss in value if any item isn't returned in original condition. You can apply this one, and you can create your own policy by clicking on create policy. You can choose if you want to accept returns or not, you want to accept exchanges or not, and you can also choose the time frame, 7 days, 14, 21 to 90 days of delivery. Then you click on save and apply, and when you're done, you click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.